What's going on, Sumolings? Thank you so much for joining us for another product walkthrough webinar. I am Lindsay. Today I am joined by Alex over at Linguix. This is an AI-powered writing assistant that checks your writing for errors and provides context-appropriate grammar, punctuation, style, and vocab recommendations. We've got this deal back on our site, and we are excited to dive into it again today. It is available for $59 starting at a lifetime for a lifetime deal. Of course, we got to go over a few things before we can dive in. So the first thing, if you want to tell us a little bit about your use case, why you are interested in this tool, you can go ahead and do that in the chat room. If you have any questions about the tool, the deal, how to get set up, go ahead and leave your questions in the Q&A box down below this video. We're going to circle back to them at the end of the walkthrough. The last thing is that there will be a replay of this available. So if you need to step out or if you just want to watch this again later, you totally can. All right, that is enough of me. Hey, Alex, how are you doing?
Hey, Lindsay, how are you? How are you guys? Happy to hear you all and be here back. Yeah.
I'm excited to have you here, and you can walk us through this new deal. I'm going to pass it over to you. Let me know when you're ready to take questions.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. So I will be starting sharing my screen to go through the whole stuff. So first of all, I'd like for those who are new to Linguix, from newbies, I will make a short introduction of what the tool is and how it works actually. So as you said, it is an AI-based writing assistant, and it actually works very simple. You just type something on the web, on the internet, and it just fixes it. So for now, we have our web application where you can store your documents. We have our mobile keyboards, and we also have our desktop application for those who would like to, edit something on the desktop. Here is the mobile keyboard. We have there from iOS and Android as well. So, and this is basically it with the whole description of the basic tool. And for now, we are launching our business product. And the business product has some additional stuff that we would like to offer to some links. And I would like to start with the overview of the main features. So actually, there are three main things that are different from our previous lifetime deal on AppSumo. First of all, our business customers, they can access the business dashboard. And this business dashboard provides you writing insights on your whole team or your whole company. Here you can access your member count, view how many documents were created by your team, how many words were checked, and how many mistakes were made. And you also can monitor your team members' activity. Another cool stuff is team management, because in our previous lifetime deal, we just gave out lots of licenses, but they were not connected in one team, and there was no team management. So if you got a bunch of licenses, it was like tricky thing to manage them. And with the business product, there is no pain in it. You have a members dashboard, and you have invite your new members. For example, you click and you send an invite. So, and you also can delete member as well. For example, your employee leaves the company or something happens, you can just revoke access to your business team. And the third main feature, the one that I like most, is actually a style guide feature. The style guide feature is a feature that allows you to basically create your own rules. For example, you can enforce a more inclusive language, or tell Linguix to specifically react on your brand names or brand terms, such stuff. And you just create a rule, and then you go, say, to Gmail or somewhere, and you will see this exact correction. So yeah, this is the main stuff, the main differences from the previous deal. And for now, I would like to go through the questions that we are getting on our deal page. And the biggest question for now is the pricing stuff. because our last deal was like lifetime premium access for $49, and new one is lifetime business access for $59. And so people who purchased the previously, they have questions. For example, how do we upgrade? Why do we purchase new deal? And the thing is that if you do not need, like, corporate statistics, you do not need the style guide, or you are okay with your just all licenses with no team management, there's no need to upgrade. But if you would like to get these features, you can. If you are previously purchased Linguix, you can just add $10 per AppSumo code you purchased last time, and you will upgrade and you will get your previous licenses working, and you will get the new licenses. Or if you would like to purchase a new code as a new user or as an old user, you can purchase on our deal page. And if you're an old user, you will get your new code and associated licenses. Your old licenses will work as usual, and also we will match your old licenses to your new AppSumo business plan. It's mean, like, for example, if you had one code with free premium licenses, you now can pay $10 to get a business team with free licenses, and also you can buy a new code, and then you will get free or previous licenses, and you will get the business team with free licenses, and we will add 2 more licenses to your business team. They will be matched. So also I'd like to cover our newest plans. We are actively working and developing the tool, and here's our roadmap. You can see how much we've done from from last August, actually. And for now, in March, we are expecting 2 big releases. For now, our Safari browser extension is going through Apple moderation, and we're actually working on our worded because we have a lot of requests for it. And once we are done with it, we can reuse this to make our Outlook add-in as well. You can see the link to the roadmap on our deal page. So also, I'd like you to sign up to our Linguix Facebook community, because this is where our most active users are engaging, and where we share like pre-release notes, and for now we're actively recruiting people to test our plagiarism checker. It's a closed beta test, so if you would like to be a part of it, to get an early access for this long-awaited feature, you can sign up to our Facebook community, post something here, and I will share you an access. You will help us to develop the tool. So this is, from my side, this is basically it. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer.
All right, Sumolings, this is your time to leave any questions that you've got in the Q&A box. Right now, we don't have any. That was pretty quick. I don't know if the people were ready for it. So I'm going to, sorry, what was that?
Yeah, we can wait, no problem.
I'm going to give a second for questions to trickle in. I'm also going to go ahead and check out the deal page, see if there's been anything there. I know that you've talked about just the differences between the 2 plans, and I want to make sure that all Sumolings here understand the difference between that plan that we've had in the past, and then this one that we have now. Can you, Mike asked, can you go over your special offer again for Sumolings? Again, your voice is a little muffled.
Sure, you can access it actually here. So we have 2 simple options for old customers who paid the $49 for our previous deal, and the new deal is $59. So you can just add this difference of $10, and you will get your team upgraded. For example, if you had free regular premium licenses, you pay $10, and you will get free business licenses, and you're united in a team. So you will be able to delete these users or invite new users, or you will be able to create rules for them with a style guide feature, and you will be able to access the team statistics via the dashboard. And also, this is the great option for those who just want to get their licenses like upgraded, but we will also keep your old licenses functionable as before. And if you would like to get as many licenses as possible, you can go with the second option, which involves matching. So this actually means that you will get your old licenses working as before. You will get licenses assigned to your new AppSumo code, for example, like 3 or 7, whatever. And we will also add the number of your old licenses to your new business team. We will match them. So you will get as many licenses as possible with the second option, but you will need to purchase a new code on AppSumo for this.
Cool, thank you. All right, we got another question here. Using the iOS app, is this on the roadmap to add emojis while using the Linguix keyboard instead of switching the keyboard to do it?
Well, for now, we are exploring our ways with it, because like on iOS, it's not that easy stuff. We had to like recreate the whole experience you have with native keyboard. It took us like around a year for now. And there are still some features missing, as you can see, like emojis. And we would like to add them, and I will discuss this further with the team, with our iOS developers, like this week or early next week, and maybe I will be able to post some update on that. So the answer is that no specific plans, but my desire and my plan is to add this in the future.
Wonderful. All right. Well, that's all we've got here. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap us up. Thank you so much, Alex, for hanging out with us as always. And Sumo Links, if you have not already, you can go redeem your codes for Linguix at appsumo.com/Linguix. It is starting at $59 for a lifetime deal. And of course, this is backed by AppSumo's 60-day guarantee. So go ahead and get set up, play around with it, and see how it works for you. Once you've done that, we do love to read your reviews on the deal page. And of course, you can leave your questions there as well. Thank you, Alex. I hope you have a good one.
Yeah, bye. Thanks for having me.
Of course. Bye.
Bye.